What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, look at my hair. I have not, look at my hair. I haven't been out the house not even 10 minutes and my hair is curling up already. So I made a quick trip to Dollar Tree. Hence the background. Look at all the Thanksgiving things they have and Halloween stuff is out. They got some home decor stuff out. But I came in here because my sister was telling me that they had the sandpaper block and it comes with sandpaper. So I got 2 of those. I got a drop cloth because I'm going to be painting, a measurement tape, another scraper, and a leveler. The girl is looking rough, but I got some good finds. At this point now, I'm just cruising around. See what else we got, because you can always find something in the tree. Is there anything else I needed? They still have some a little C thing. If you guys saw my video on TikTok, I told you guys that I got my bathroom decor from Dollar Tree, and they still have some stuff still available. I actually saw the vases that I used on my foot. Excuse me. Thank you. I know I'm not the only one, but when I come in Dollar Tree, I always have to pick up. Oh, there we go. I have to pick up a box of Zero Magnetics. That's it. That is a must. You gotta have magnetics and like these. The Welch's candy. This one actually got the caramel inside. This is the regular. Sometimes I switch between the two. But yeah. So anything else I need. It's so hot outside, y'all. It's 96 degrees. My hair is literally wet. Like, I put gel and water on my hair earlier. Brush it down like I did nothing to my hair. But we almost done with the store. No, it's going now. Yes, please. What's up, guys? It is 6:27. Been up since about 5:30, but I actually up and moving around. I might get this day started early, so it's gonna be like 90-some degrees again today. So the goal is to start early today. I'm not waiting till the afternoon because it was too hot yesterday. Only thing I was able to do was go to the store and get the products. I was like, we not. We got a lot of stuff to do today. So I'm gonna give you guys the to-do list now so that we can go on here and get our day started. I'm gonna do my skincare routine, wash my makeup brushes, wash my client brushes because I have to do makeup tomorrow. Sand down the walls in the bedroom so that I can finally paint today. Fingers crossed if the paint dries, we don't have to do multiple coats. Make sure that my kit is stocked. I'll eat breakfast. Alright guys, so now we are going to start seeing down the walls at the projects. Okay. Oh Lord, it is hot. I'm doing my YouTube. Right. So but am I talking to myself? I'm talking to y'all. What is she talking about?
That's your L.
Don't do that. Get put on the wall. Baby, never, never, never. He said, baby, 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 baby. Part of me. Whoa. Baby, stay.
Yeah.
Come on, sing, Jackie.
Yeah, let him say.
Oh, no, 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 no. Baby, your girl is hot. The wall looks good. You can tell the difference between these two corners where the patches were. But we're looking good. But we are literally tripping. We're looking good. The wall's looking good. I'm ready to eat. Take a break.